back to y'all with another video. It's like 6 in the morning. I'm not gonna cap, I just got out of bed. I was literally too excited to even wait. I am finally getting a proper tune for this car. So I couldn't wait. I'm logging right now. I'm gonna get a couple logs for him. He wants a log of me just regularly driving, so I'm gonna just take a drive to the local highway, which like you probably can't really see, but it's like straight over there. Do that. I never felt my car shift the way it's shifting right now, ever. Right now, all I'm trying to do is just get the car warmed up because she is on a cold start. This shit is mad squeaky. Like, I don't know what the hell started happening, but like this shit just started like getting squeaky as time went on. Like, it's mad dumb. And my other coilovers did the same thing too, because when I put these shits on, the first time I put these coilovers on, they never squeaked. I never had an issue. Now, forget about it. This shit is freaking squeaking everywhere like a door. It's ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie, I never see my air to fuel ratios that dialed in. And this is only a fucking baseline map. It's only at it says 18 pounds, but I'm not gonna lie, it don't feel like 18 pounds. It feels like it's more than that. Like, it feels way faster than it did before. And I just pulled, look at this shit. And I just pulled out of my driveway too, which is crazy. Cause Sunday I'm going out to Connecticut. So, bro, the light just turned green, bro. What's wrong with y'all people? These people is like insane, bro. Hear me squeaking around the fucking block. Luckily my rotors, I'm not going to say nothing, because if I say something, I'm destined for that shit to fucking happen. I'm going to Mexico right now. It's going to be like at least a day drive to Mexico. Hopefully it's still daytime by the time I get there, you know. It's crazy. I already did a couple logs, but I don't know if they were good logs, so I'm going to redo a couple more and then I'm going to send it to him. I don't know if they were good logs at all. Actually, I think they were good logs. I was wide open thought. I brought it all the way up to 7. Apparently I could have shifted at 71. This shit feels fast. It feels way fucking faster than what the hell happened earlier. It feels way faster. And this is only a baseline too, and this shit feels fast. Like, it's crazy. That was a good hit. back from Mexico. I did what I had to do for my boy. I'm just taking logs of like daily driving, because we're gonna make an eco map too. Get like 32 miles per gallon. We make an eco map, like minimal boost, like it's just straight drive, like hop in the car and drive. We're gonna probably make one of those, but I'm gonna get this log over sent to him. Probably the next time you guys see like the next clip is probably gonna be like nighttime or some shit, and then we're gonna go right back out to Mexico and then we'll finish off the logs and stuff. Right now we're only on version 1, so we may have to do a couple of revisions because I'm putting back oh shit, almost died again. I'm putting back my 450 Walbro in the tank when I get my new one, because the old one, I don't know what the hell happened to it. The old one just doesn't work anymore. So get that in the trunk. I might even upgrade to a 525, but I don't think I need to go that crazy. I should probably just save the extra $100 and just get the 450. No need for me to go all out. Another day, another log. Half my lights disappeared from my dash, and I don't know why. I didn't do anything. I swear to God, I didn't do anything. Alright, so I got back my revision. A lot of the homicide little shift points are kind of done and over for with. Right now I'm gonna go to Mexico. I'm gonna do another, like, going to the Mexico place first, and then I'm gonna send them all logs. I'm gonna at least try to do like 5 good pulls. I don't want to do nothing crazy and overextend. He put the shift points back. It's shifting exactly when it needs to. Bruh. So this shit wasn't recording this whole time? Oh, that's a vibe killer. Okay. So this shit is running out at, this car is revving out like 72, 32, some shit like that. Like, what? Get 3 good pulls at least. He's getting rattled. He's gonna adjust that for me too. He did adjust it a little bit more, but I need a little bit more adjusted because I don't run canisters on this car. Took them off. Apparently you don't need them, you can just tune it out. But see you guys in a bit.